Hey guys, so today is Sunday, good old Sunday, and technically we showed up a little bit later than we were supposed to. But today I came to address this one pipe right here that has, I was hoping that the crack would be on this side, that way we can address it, just unscrew it and you know, cap it in the middle. But technically it's under the floor. And this is not an average floor, it's a bathroom floor, possibly concrete slab. So I had the guy, oh, I'm still feeling better. I had the guy drill from underneath to the top so we can get a location. Oh, it says? Oh, it's a 90. Alright, so we had a, we drilled a hole over here just so that we can get the actual location of the leak. It looks like it might be that same 90 right there. If anything, you see it right there, it's already cracked. Oh, ese va a ser un pedo. But that's the crack right there that we gotta fix some way, somehow. Vas a necesitar que romper ese piso de madera con el sosa para, pues para, ojalá se mueva el tubo para acá para que dé vuelta. Ya dando vuelta ya chingó, ya chingó. But yeah, this is technically concrete. So we ended up cutting a square with the grinder, and then I had to bring the hammer drill with the chisel here and start chiseling around. This is el último liqueo. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just giving you guys an update, but right now it looks like it's that 90 right there that cracked, obviously. Hoy la rosca apenas va a estar buena, right? And obviously this goes to right here, right? But once we fix that last leak, hopefully that's the very last one. We can cut this hydronic system on. We've been here like 3 days already. 1 day installing the hydronic and 2 days fixing leaks. Today will be day three. And then yeah, we had a lot of water damage here. I'm cleaning this up real fast before the guy shows up. But anyways, this is the progress. Hopefully it's not too complicated, man. I'm praying, man. We gotta get that 90 in there. But all I got to see it from right there. You see right there, look, that's the 90 we gotta replace. Alright, so technically we're trying to see if maybe we can find a coupling here. This one's gonna be really tricky for the reason that I don't think you can really turn that elbow. Or maybe we can. Because it's right next to this thing right here. And that's gonna complicate everything. But right now we're just gonna open it up that way. Oh, si lo abrimos todo el tubo se puede mover para allá. ¿Verdad? Okay. Yep. We're working on it. I'll give you guys an update of what's going on. But this is what repairing a busted pipe inside a slab of concrete is like. So this is what it looks like underneath right here. That's the elbow right there. You see how there's 245 and then it goes straight down. This part should be okay technically. I'm going to try to remove this wood and hopefully we can push that pipe over an inch or two just to be able to test the nail in there. We're going to have to cut it out here. That's going to be the next step, to cut the wood. And hopefully that gives us the inch and a half that we need in order to move this around freely. Okay, so the wood is out of there. And check this out. See that play right there? That's all the play that we need. Look at the thing. With that, hopefully we're able to trade in the 90, and then this piece right here, we'll just cut it in half and put the union in between, and then we're done. Let me show you guys real quick the progress over here. Alright, so this is the status. If you remember in a video that I did, I think like 2 days ago, this is the pipe that was sticking out the wall over there that I said I was going to add 245s. But upon further inspection, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. So instead, we just broke over here. So hopefully they can just push this pipe in a little bit. If they can, now they're gonna have to. Oh, so we already cut the pipe here, so we're freeing it up. And then you want to hold this fitting because you don't want to crack that one too. We've been here too long already. You see right here. So this is going to get swapped with the same thing. The only difference is there's going to be a union in between. This was 43 inches. I bought 42 inches worth of pipe. We're going to, one is going to be over here. One is going to be over here. But first, let's change that 90. ¿Qué cambiar ese 90 primero? That 90 right there is gonna have to get changed. Oh, that's it. Échale pasta. Ahí hay un bote gris de pasta. So that was the fitting. Oh man, that was close. Good thing we didn't cut it, man. I don't want to be replacing all this pipe. This right here looks scary. Alright, so we're going to put paste in there and we're going to get that 90 in there. Once we get that 90 in there, it's a pretty much straightforward process. Nothing. Oh, and honestly, if you're a homeowner and you got somebody doing this type of work, you might want to cover up your own floors. Because I'm going to tell you right now, HVAC guy doesn't carry mats. He doesn't carry plastic. He doesn't carry paper. He doesn't carry none of that. He just carries the tools needed to do the job and get out of here. Just a heads up. Now that work that's the way.
Y por ahí abajo no se puede, ¿verdad? Dar vuelta.
O maybe. A ver, ponle las monkeys por ahí, aquí. Yeah, all we gotta do is figure out how to tighten it real quick. Once that guy, like I said, gets in there, it's game over. I only use blue paste. And I put a lot of paste. I cannot afford to leak no more, guys. We've been here too long. Ahí dale.
Oh, parece que no te da espacio, Ángel. Aquí no tengo movimiento. Aquí
Corta esta madera.
Oh, esta es la pared, ¿eh?
No, así, con que estén así las pinzas, nada más para acá un poquito. Sí. That's it. Así,
¿Crees que estas son las más chiquitas?
No hay pedo, dale. These are the smallest monkeys that we got. Alright, so we're gonna keep doing this until we tighten it, and then I'll show you guys what's next. Alright, so here's the update. We ended up giving this 93 complete turns because it was hard. We were gonna stop at 2, but 2 I don't think is enough. We got this pipe right here, a coupling, a shorter pipe. And then this is the destination right here. And then I got the 3 sizes here that we might need. And then we have the union. ¿Ya está instalado? Oh, okay. Yeah. Worst case. Yeah, this one's too big. It's no, too big. I don't know why I got a 45. But just in case, you never know. But this is the progress right here. Once we connect it, I'm able to turn the water on again, and hopefully there's no more leaks. Alright guys, so right now this thing is opening up right now. You see it is turning on. Once that turns on, that'll send the signal over here. We're able to build pressure. This thing's igniting. It might take a few tries because there's air in that line. Did it turn on? Yep, it turned on. You got fire. Now the water is gonna start heating up. We're able to hold pressure right here, and remember the one thing that sets the pressure is this guy right here, porque lo puedes abrir y apenas sube más presión, ¿verdad? ¿Sabes eso? Sí. So normalmente si ese no sirve, ya cuando llegue a 15 lo pagas aquí para que no se llene. Pero normalmente dejas este para que lo haga automáticamente. Yep, this is it. It's firing. It's running, number 8 running. Yeah, let this thing heat up, man. And then personally, I always install this guy right here so it bleeds the air automatically. And worst case, let's say it bleeds air and it needs to add water. Right here, that's what this valve is for. Technically, I should have installed a check valve. ¿Sabes lo que es un check valve? Una válvula que tiene una puerta así que deja el agua que entre pero que no salga para atrás. ¿Sabes cuál es o no?
No, eso no.
Luego te lo enseño. Pero normalmente aquí se le pone, por si en caso pierde presión la agua de la ciudad, el agua no lo pucha para atrás, no va en reversa. But I mean, it is what it is. Once we get, I don't know if I should leave it open or close it up. But let this thing run. Chequea los radiadores que no esté escurriendo ninguna, pero se ve que no. Alright, so this is the final product. Usually when I swap these out, there's never no leaks inside the lines, but today was a lot of leaks because obviously they waited for the last minute and then the deep freeze got them. But this is usually the cheapest brand I install, Crown, okay? Just so you guys know, Crown Velocity, the cheapest brand out there. And technically they work. I mean, it'll probably work for 20, 30 years. And the good thing about these systems is you don't have to touch anything. If anything, this is the valve right here. If anything, I feel like shutting this. Oh man, I don't even know if I should. No, I'm gonna leave it open because technically it should be open. Supposedly this guy right here is the one that limits the pressure here. Yeah, that's it. Eventually all this water is gonna dry up and then it's not gonna be there, but this is usually the process involved for installing a hydronic boiler. But anyways, we're out of here and then let's see what the next job is. And then yeah, thanks for sticking by.